Hi, I'm Kapil,
I'm Sandeep.
and we are the library. First off, we'd like to thank you for Childish for offering this opportunity for us and WordPress in addition. So today we're just going to kind of cover what we're going to do with the app and the functionality we want from it. So Sandeep is going to cover the whole high-level concept of the app.
So the general idea is, at this point in time, when you want to get an idea of what a concert was like, or you want to see a certain song from a concert that you went to, you have to go onto YouTube, you have to type in the artist, the song, the venue, and you have to search through thousands of videos to find one video that fits. Well, we decided to basically simplify this entire process. And what we want to do is we want to create an app similar to Snapchat that allows you to take a 10 to 20 second video and then upload it to a website. What ends up happening is after the event itself, you can access this website and go through a bunch of different videos that users have posted from the concert. And it basically can give you a holistic view of the entire event from a bunch of different user perspectives.
Right, so in terms of technical aspects, we're going to have the mobile app running on iOS, which can work in conjunction with the deep web app already being used. And so the app will have geolocation constraints and time constraints. So you get on the app and then record 10 to 20 minute or 20-second videos. In our case right here, we have 15-second videos. And you can just submit it to the app or the website that Sandeep was saying, and then you can go on the website and then look at the entire concert as a timeline. So in between that app and the website, we're using a Node.js framework. We'll manage all the server end and then convert the files to .mov to .mp4 to make sure we can use them on the website. And then once we get on the website, it'll be something like this. So I'll show you kind of a quick example of what it would look like. So right here, as you can see, it's a 15-second video. And right here, it changed to a different person's perspective. And then back to again to the original person. So in theory, there's going to be far more people and far more perspectives in the actual app. And we'll also add higher level functionality like switching between people and making sure that you have the perspective that you want to look at. And so this is the last video, which is the longest one. But that's kind of like the big idea of what the app is going to do and what the website's going to look like. So that's kind of our end and what we're going to be covering today.
Now,
we're going to hand it over to Tanner, who's going to go over the app in terms of the iOS stuff.
Alright, so the first two things I thought about in making the app were how can I make this as easy to use as possible, and how can this be as easy to implement in the current Deep Web app as well. It couldn't be easier to use. It's essentially just a click of a button. It is just as easy as using the iPhone's current camera, and as far as implementing it into the current Deep Web app, it's as simple as moving over two files. So what the app does is it compresses the video and then it sends it over to a server we have, along with some attributions such as location so that we know where the concert was held, and timestamp so we know how to piece them together. So here's the app. It opens up with a loading view of Childish, and then a submit video button pops up. Press the submit video button, you get a little alert view saying that the duration can't exceed 20 seconds like we talked about earlier. Take a little video, press use video, and it tells you that it was saved to your camera roll and that the video can be viewed later at deepweblibrary.com. Thanks for having us, Corey, Donald. Whether we win or not, it was an awesome experience.